So the elevation is 6,046 meters. The type of volcano is a stratovolcano. The location is Chile on the South American plate. The type of eruption is usually explosive. See a Camarache volcano. This is the crater, the vent, magma chamber, the pipe. Yeah, you can't see any of this, but it's all right here. I make it explode now.
Yeah.
Did any of that even move?
No. She jumped the window. There you go. Yeah. We're done.
Okay, is there anybody else that can go in?
Where's Jack?
Ready? Okay.
The volcano is a diamond crater. Location is in Oregon, in southeast, and the plate is North America. It is 23.100 degrees north and 118.75 degrees west. It's a small shield volcano and it's explosive.
Okay, our volcano's name is Fuego. Its location is Antigua, Guatemala. Its altitude is 3,763 meters. Type of volcano is stratovolcano, and type of eruption is explosive.
This is the mouth, lava flows, pipe, magma chamber, crater, magma, and vent.
Oh, went down.
Went down. Looks like toothpicks.
Sounds good.
A bit closer.
Are you ready, Adam? Yeah. Set. Go.
Go quick, run. Run. Ooh, shaking. Hold on. There it goes.
It looks like a marshmallow if I wore my jacket. Volcano Low, and its location is, I don't know how to say it, it's like Panapu or something like that, New Guinea, and its coordinates are 5.466 degrees south latitude and 150.509 degrees east. Its elevation is 2,641 feet tall, and this volcano is a stratovolcano. It barely did anything. It's all over. It went, but shut up. Okay, our volcano is Glacier Peak. The location is Washington, in the U.S. Coordinates are 48.1125 degrees north and 121.1138 degrees west. Elevation is 10,359 feet. Volcano type is strato. Eruption type is explosive.
Alright. Right here's the mouth. That's the pipe. That's the magma chamber. And that's all I got. So.
Maya, stop laughing. It's me trying to put my life back together. Oh. Yay. Life.
a composite volcano. It's in Washington, in North America. It's a stratovolcano. Okay.
No, make sure the vinegar and ketchup is good.
Put the legend on that. Here we go. Alright, this is La Palma. Its elevation is 7,959 feet. And it's a stratovolcano and an explosive eruption. Here, we'll make it work. It's shaking in there. Who cares?
Oh my gosh, it's gonna explode. It's gonna explode before you even...
That's all we have. Just,
Why are you putting like the lid on?
It's not gonna.
that worked.
Alright, so I don't have a legend, but I know some of it. It's located somewhere in Costa Rica. It's a stratovolcano. Yeah. And here's the vent, height, the magma chamber down here. This is that. Alright.
Real quick.
It's not working.
Why?
Whatever. It worked.
Make sure to...
Wait, do we already video? We just had the exploder, right?
Yeah, we already videoed their.
Yeah, all I have to do is explode it.
Okay.
Oh, let it go.
Alright.
No, don't put it... Oh, what are you guys doing?
Yeah, we're cooking it and then you
There's a
just
lot
let
of
it go
vinegar
in
in there.
so we don't, so it
There's
doesn't
a
like
gallon of
halfway
vinegar. Let's see this thing explode. Imagine what it's gonna do when it gets in there. Oh, I know.
It's only half full.
Yeah, are you videoing?
Yes. There's got so much vinegar in there,
Is
it's gonna go everywhere.
I don't want to get.
Oh, there we go. It
Didn't even come out.
Yeah.
didn't even go over the side.